Okay, what we're doing today is we're going from our old Comfort Zone 2 board to an Infinity control. Infinity Zone control. Okay, so what I have sitting here is I got a 58 MVP from 2003. Infinity capable, and they had a Comfort Zone 2 system hooked up to it, but the customer wanted to upgrade because I told them probably down the line you're going to upgrade to a newer furnace, new Infinity furnace. So this way, instead of replacing the Comfort Zone 2 panel and then worrying about the upgrade on the zone panel down the line, we're going to upgrade the zone panel now since the control upstairs went faulty. So they didn't want to replace the control, they wanted to do the upgraded zone panel. And with the MVP, it's got our plug back there, it's got our model plug, and it is capable of Infinity control. So the customer gets brand new Infinity control, brand new Infinity zone panel, and so when they do the upgrade on the furnace and the AC, they don't have to do anything with the zone panel, it's already there. Plus they wanted Wi-Fi control, so the Infinity Touch gets some Wi-Fi control. So we're just kind of going through it right now. I labeled everything because there are a lot of wires, trying to keep track of them. So I labeled everything. We're just now hooking it up. I should have kind of brought you in at, when I was taking everything off, but I totally forgot about it. But I got 24 volts here and a humidifier, which are going to be void in this panel. So I'll just have to reconfigure some of the wiring down here on the control board and for the humidifier, because the humidifier is going to run to the control board now instead of the zone panel. So the control board is going to tell it when to humidify. So we're just kind of going through and changing all the wiring. So we'll keep you posted when it's done here. Okay, so now got my board in, wires. I don't know, it took me about a half an hour, 45 minutes to get all the wiring in there. I upgraded the board, so we got upgraded software on the board. Got my ABCD plug-in instead of everything on the terminal strip. This is a single stage air, so with Infinity control it's going to energize that Y2 terminal when call for air. And then I get a common. Got my humidifier back there, right there, and everything goes up to, my equipment goes up to the ABCD plug here, then my Infinity control comes in here. All my dampers are here, sensors are here. Don't tie sensor to sensor 1 because then it'll override the control upstairs. This wire here is just void, so we're going to get the system started up and get it going. Alright, so we got it up and running. There's my wiring. Running here, status communication. Oops. That just snaps on there. And this is older Carrier Infinity. It's still got a good heat exchanger. I got to change the humidifier pad out. It hasn't been changed in a while. But Carrier Infinity, it'll adapt up to the older 3-wire dampers, not a problem. So that's really it for this one. It was just, getting ready for an upgrade down the line. They're going to upgrade the furnace and AC probably next year. So we're just kind of getting ahead of the game with Carrier's own panel. And we got the Carrier Infinity Touch thermostat upstairs. So came out really good. Real easy swap. Not too bad as long as you mark your wires. And that's it for this one. Alright guys, like and subscribe.